Suzuki Cultus VXRI 2008 EFI seal to seal genuine inside new tires AC working. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are presenting a very solid, reliable, and budget family hatchback, Suzuki Cultus VXRI Model 2008 with EFI engine, available in excellent running condition. Suzuki Cultus is one of the most trusted and fuel-efficient cars in Pakistan, especially for city driving, family use, and daily commuting. This 2008 Cultus VXRI comes with an EFI engine which ensures better fuel average, smooth acceleration, and strong performance compared to old carburetor models. Let's talk about the overall condition. The car is mechanically 100% fine. Engine performance is smooth, soundless, and powerful. Suspension is completely okay, giving a comfortable and stable drive even on rough roads. Both AC and heater are fully working, which is a big plus for all seasons. Cooling is chilled, making it perfect for long drives and city traffic. All 4 tires are brand new, so there is no extra expense required. The car is ready to drive without any immediate work. Now coming to the body condition. The outer body is showered for a fresh and clean look. The paint shines well and gives the car a neat appearance. The inner side is totally genuine from seals to seals, which shows the car has been carefully maintained and not majorly accidented. Documents are completely clear. Original file is available, and biometric verification, bio, is possible on the spot, giving buyers full satisfaction and safe transfer. Suzuki Cultus is known for heavy checkmark excellent fuel economy, heavy checkmark easy and cheap maintenance, heavy checkmark easily available spare parts, heavy checkmark strong resale value, heavy checkmark comfortable family car, heavy checkmark best for ride and daily use. This vehicle is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a low-budget car, EFI Cultus, or a reliable city hatchback in Pakistan. Money bag demand price, 10,90,000. A reasonable price according to the model and condition. If you are searching for Suzuki Cultus 2008 for sale, Cultus EFI Pakistan, VXRI Cultus used car, budget family car, Cultus Karachi Sindh type cars, then this car is definitely worth considering. Outgoing email symbol serious buyers can contact an inbox for more details. If you like the video, don't forget to like thumbs up sign, share with friends outbox tray, and subscribe to our channel for more genuine used car deals across Pakistan. Bell.